Wake up, sleepyhead.
5 more minutes.
No way, it's playtime. Okay, you win.
India is getting perfect poached. My cooking is not really bad, though. There you go, sweetie.
Wow, thanks, Mom.
This is the best part of the day.
Yeah.
All right, kids, here we go. What a beautiful morning.
Wow, look at all the shops. Can we stop? And the trees are so pretty. I see flowers.
We'll stop soon. Keep your eyes open.
Leo, I'm so excited for school. Me too, Mila. I brought my new crayons.
Wow, cool. Let's go.
Okay, see you later.
Bye, Leo.
All right, class, let's look at this equation. B plus 2 equals what?
Oh, wait.
That's correct. B plus 2 equals 4. Can anyone tell me why? Raise your hand.
The cat is on the mat.
Good job, Mila.
The dog runs in the park.
Excellent reading.
This is the best sandwich. Yeah, it looks yummy.
Look at my drawing, everyone.
It is. Best lunch ever. Yay, school's out. What a beautiful day.
Totally. And look, birds are flying around.
Wow, they're so pretty. Let's go play.
Yeah, this is the best day ever.
What a great coffee. It looks like today is going to be a great day.
Are you in love with coffee alone?
What? No, of course not.
Just checking. It looked like a close call. Okay, you got me.
Lena, today was a pretty good day. There wasn't much pressure at the office.
Isn't that so? Then it's good. When you come home with a smile, I feel better too.
Honestly, all my tiredness goes away when I come home and see you.
Why are you talking so nicely today? You must want something.
Oh no, there has to be a reason behind everything you say, right?
I know you very well, but
Okay, there was one thing. I was thinking of going somewhere together next Friday.
Mila, eat slowly. Are you going to eat all the chips by yourself?
Hey, am I eating them all? You're eating a handful.
Because I'm a good boy.
Good boy. Who ate my chocolate yesterday?
That was a science experiment. I was testing how quickly chocolate would go bad if you put it in the fridge.
Is that right? So what's the result?
The result is, it goes bad very quickly.
Bet I can eat more chips than you.
No way, I'm way faster.
Oh yeah? Watch this. Still winning.
Look at them go.
So cute and
We
competitive.
love chips. Good morning, everyone. Today in our life class, we will learn about a happy life. To be happy in life, we must be grateful for small things. If you help others, your heart will also feel happy. Always try to think positively. Making mistakes is not bad. Learning from mistakes is the most important thing. Spending time with family and friends makes life beautiful. Work a little every day for your dreams. Mom, what are you cooking?
I am cooking your favorite food today.
Really, Mom? I am very happy.
Yes, dear, you study all day.
Oh, I have to go to school quickly today. I have English class today. If I am late, Sir may get angry. No, I cannot be late today. I will learn something new in English class today. And I will speak English well in front of Sir. Nico, don't look at the clock. Class is almost over.
Yes, I saw it too. There are only a few minutes left.
I've studied a lot today. I feel like going out for a bit.
I feel the same way. Sitting in class all day makes me tired.
Come on, we'll go to the park after class.
Great idea! We'll go to the park and run and play.
Leo, how fun they are making jalmuri.
Yes,
The smell is so good.
I really want to eat it.
Come on, let's buy 2 jalmuri. Okay, I'll take a little more salt. Oh, Leo, this jalmuri is so delicious. What if you make it too spicy?
I can do it, see? It's a little too spicy. but great!
You really like spicy food. I just want less spicy food.
Okay, then I'll get a little more spicy food from the shopkeeper next time.
Haha, you always like spicy. I like sweet.
Yeah, but this is the best. Here, try some. Mmm, so good.
It's all red.